prayer.
Okay, thank you very much. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alamin. Ar-Rahmanir Rahim. مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين آمين. لم نشرح لك صدرك ووضعنا عنك وزرك الذي أنقض ظهرك ورفعنا لك ذكرك فإن مع العسر يسرا إن مع العسر يسرا فإذا فرغت فانصب إلى ربك فرح. فضل سبحان ربك رب العزة عما يصفون والسلام على المرسلين الحمد لله رب العالمين.
Thank you. Now that I mentioned your name, you can introduce yourself.
My name is what the chair said, Hassan Omar, a member of this committee.
My name is Catherine Wambilianga, a member of this committee, County MP Bungoma.
My name is Aaron Cheruyot, member of this committee.
Eugene Omalo, member of this committee. My name is Opio Wandai, member of the committee.
I'm Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka, member of the committee and co-chair.
Kimani Shongwa, member of the committee and co-chairing. Welcome. I think we'll also, I may know all of you, but not everybody may know all of you. You will introduce yourselves, at least the team that is presenting at the front. And if you have anybody who will be backing up, you can introduce them. Let me begin by apologizing. I know we're running about an hour late, and some of you are here before 9. So our apologies. Now, members of this committee, some travel from the villages in the morning. Our other apology is that we were not able to offer you even a cup of tea as you waited, courtesy of the CS National Treasury. We have no tea budget, and only the CS National Treasury can tell you where there is no cup of tea, CS Davis. So, karibuni, maybe you can begin with introductions, beginning with